Thank you for choosing Garden Light LED for your landscape lighting needs. Today we're going to show you how to use our new drum connector and crimping tool. You'll begin by threading each wire through the non-gelled filled side of the connector. You want to do this before you strip the wire to make it easier to get through the holes without fraying the copper wire inside. After you have all of the wires threaded through, strip the wires to an appropriate amount. Place the metal crimp on the wires and crimp them together using the crimping tool. The middle hole is the right one for this specific crimp. After crimping the wires together, push the wires into the gel-filled side of the connector. Snap it into place. You now have a waterproof connection.